If you want to make an 8-bit voice in CapCut PC, you're in the right place. In this tutorial, I'll show you a quick and easy way to turn a normal voice into that retro video game style sound using CapCut on desktop. This is perfect for gaming videos, meme edits, funny voiceovers, and any project where you want that classic old-school digital effect. And before we jump in, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple CapCut tutorials just like this. Alright, let's get started. First, open CapCut on your desktop and bring in the clip you want to edit. You can drag and drop your video or audio file directly into the project, then place it down into the timeline. If you're working with a video, that's totally fine, because CapCut will let you edit the audio from the clip itself. Once your audio is in the timeline, click directly on the audio track so it becomes highlighted. This tells CapCut exactly which audio you want to modify. Now look to the top right corner of the screen and click on the Audio tab. This is where CapCut keeps all of its sound editing tools, including the voice changer options. After that, find the voice changer submenu and click on it. Inside this section, you'll see different voice effects and character filters that can completely change the way your audio sounds. To get that 8-bit style, browse through the available effects and look for options like robot, lo-fi, or electronic. These are the kinds of filters that add that digital, bit-crushed, retro game sound to your voice. While CapCut may not always label one effect as exactly 8-bit, these presets usually get very close to that classic old-school style. Once you find the effect you want, click it to apply it to your selected audio. You should immediately hear the voice take on a more synthetic, vintage, arcade-like tone. If the effect sounds too strong or too weak, try a different preset until you find the one that fits your video best. You can also preview the audio a few times to make sure it sounds clean and matches the mood you're going for. If you want something more playful and exaggerated, the robot-style effect is usually a great choice. If you want a softer, more glitchy feel, lo-fi or electronic may work better. A good tip is to test the voice effect with a short clip first, especially if you're doing a longer voiceover. That way you can save time and make sure the final sound is exactly what you want before applying it to the full project. And that's really all there is to it. In just a few steps, you can make an 8-bit voice in CapCut PC and give your audio a fun retro twist. This is a great effect for standing out on YouTube, TikTok, Shorts, and any creative edit where you want something unique. If this video helped you, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more easy editing tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.